Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful basket. Things needed are paper cup, wool, glue and scissors. We'll first begin by marking the half of the paper cup and gluing the wool around the paper cup till the marking. Now that we have completely covered the bottom half of the paper cup, we'll cut out some strips so that we can weave the wool around them. Now that we have cut the strips, we'll keep it upside down and press it onto the table. Now we will begin the weaving by going under this first strip, then going above the second strip and going under the third strip and so on. Now that we have completely weaved it, we'll cut off the excess strip. Now we'll bend them over and glue on the strips. Now we'll bend the weave part outwards and glue it. Now we'll cut the upper rim of the paper cup and make it the handle and cover it with the wool. I have taken this ribbon and with the help of needle and thread made frills out of it, and now I'll be gluing the frills at the upper rim of the basket. I have glued 2 white roses at the end of the handle, and now it's done. It looks very beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!